Here's what most of us do all day. We open the app first, wait for it to load, then go digging for the file we wanted the whole time, doing it backwards. But there is a bigger thing hiding underneath. Even when the file opens, it opens in whatever app your Mac picked. And that's often not the one that gets you the best results. So you're not slower. You're missing what your Mac could do with that file. Let's fix both. Nothing to download. It's all already there. Your dock holds apps, but your Finder window has a toolbar across the top, and you can put your most used apps right up there. So wherever your files are, your go-to apps are just one drop away. Open Apps folder. Now hold Command and drag the app up to the toolbar until you see a little green plus, and let go. And now it lives there. Drag any file onto it, and it routes straight into that app. Put your 2 or 3 most used apps up there, and you have built your personal file bar, right where your files already are. You've had this happen. You double-click a file, and the wrong app opens it. Nothing's broken. Your Mac has a default for that type, and sometimes it's not the one that you want. For a one-off, you don't have to live with it. Right-click your file, choose Open With, and your Mac shows the apps that you can open it with. However, if the desired app does not show up in the list, then choose Others. That takes you to Full Application folder. Now pick the one you wanted, just this once, nothing else changes. But if the same type keeps opening in the wrong app, then this is the next one. Take a photo, one someone airdropped, or you took a screenshot, or you captured something off a website. On most Macs, it opens in Preview app by default. And Preview is fine to mark it up, rotate, crop, but that's about it. So, same file, make a right click, Open With, and choose Photos app. And now you've got real editing, light, color, filters, and you can even retouch something right out of the shot. A toolkit that Preview app just doesn't have. So, right app, better results. Not only that, opening an image in Photos app brings it into your Photos library, and if you use iCloud Photos, it syncs to your iPhone and iPad too. For most people, it's a bonus. Add it on your Mac, and it's on your phone too. Again, I must add, for a quick look and a small markup, Preview is still faster. And if a file type always opens in a wrong app, fix it once. Select the file, make a right click, get info, and find Open With. Now from the list, pick your app and click Change All. Change All means every file of that type from now on will open in that specific app. So confirm only when you're sure. Now this one saves people money and a lot of hassle. Someone sends you a Word document, a .txt, .md, or .docs file, and your first thought is, I need Microsoft Word to open this file. In most cases, you don't need it. Your Mac's own Pages app can open it, read it, and edit it. No Word needed, nothing to buy. But 2 things I must tell you. Very complex formatting, heavy layouts, drag changes, some fonts may not carry over perfectly. So for normal reading and editing, Pages is perfectly fine. However, for an official or a client document, I'll suggest you to use Export. You can export Pages as PDF, Word document, plain text, or RTF. For most everyday Word files though, you were never as stuck as you thought. It was already on your Mac. Now the one that genuinely surprises people. You've got a video, a clip of your phone, a screen recording, and you just want to cut that dead bit of the start and end. Nothing fancy, open it in QuickTime Player, already on your Mac, and you can trim it, split it, and even rotate it right there. All from Edit In menu bar, for quick trimming, just drag those yellow handles. And that's it. But there is something that most people don't know they even own. If you want more, join clips, add titles, transitions, music, a real edit. Your Mac came with iMovie app, a proper video editor, free, that most people have never once opened. QuickTime for quick trim and iMovie for something you want to create. This app requires a dedicated session, but for a starter, at least you know there is built-in app that you can use to create videos, edit videos, and do a lot more into them. Now here's the quick one for in-between moment. You're working on a project, you have multiple files, windows open already, and you have a file you wish to open in a specific app without changing any defaults. All you have to do is drag it straight onto the app in your dock, and it routes right in, even if it is not the regular app for that file. And this is one way to take advantage of this trick. However, if you wish to attach a file straight into your email, you can select, drag and drop that file onto your mail icon. Attached immediately. And there it is. Just type your email address and send it. In many scenarios, this small trick changes how you do things on your Mac. Now this one, some of you already know the first half. You're in a big folder searching for that specific file. Half the time, you open the wrong file that you don't need to, just to find the right one. From now on, stop opening. Select File, press spacebar on the keyboard, and there's a full preview. And here's where it becomes even more impactful. Leave that preview open and press your arrow keys, right, left, up and down, and you fly through the entire folder, every file previewing instantly without opening a single one. A whole folder of video, audios, PDFs, screenshots, documents you already checked in within seconds. But that's not it. Once the right file is found, you can airdrop it, email it, or open in the app right from the toolbar without leaving preview. And the honest bit, even many of you already know this feature, yet you double click on the file out of the habit. So it's a time to break that habit. It is the fastest way to find files on your Mac. One quick access trick before we tie everything together. If there's a folder you open every single day, stop navigating to it every time. Drag it into the sidebar. And now it's only one click away from any Finder window. And don't worry, the real folder has not moved anywhere. This is just a shortcut. Everything in this video that I've shown you is already in your Mac. No downloads, nothing to buy. For almost everyone, this is more than enough. If you live in your files all day, sure there are better solutions available, there are other apps, but again, before you subscribe for something, just try what's already available on your Mac built-in at no additional cost. So here's the whole thing. Simple. Same apps all day, put them in your Finder toolbar. Wrong app, grabbed it once. Right-click, open with. Wrong app every time. Get info, change all. A photo you want to edit. Photos, not just preview. A Word file and no Word app, open it in Pages. A video to trim or edit, QuickTime or iMovie for more. Just checking File, spacebar, and then arrow keys. It was never about learning 6 new apps. It is just about your habit. There's plenty more your Mac already has built in. If you're ready to step up, here's the next one for you. And before you click on it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.